What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Wommack, and today I want to show you how to achieve a super realistic film look, in my opinion, using only your smartphone and the free Lightroom app. Now, I posted this picture to my Instagram account yesterday. Thank you so much for liking, for showing love, and you asked me how I created this look, how I got so close to that real film look. And as I said, I want to show you today how to do that using only your smartphone and the free Lightroom app. Now, of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. If you want to save some time, it's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 150 presets that you could just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that every time I create new presets, which is on a weekly basis, they're automatically added to the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get a growing presets pack. I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And if there's anything you need from me, any questions or just ideas for new videos that you have, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Now, the trick behind this whole thing is to not over exaggerate, to only do really subtle, really slight changes to the picture to really make it look as realistic as possible. And that's what we're gonna do right now. So the first thing I want you to do, of course, is open your picture in the free Lightroom app. And this is the picture I took. The first thing we do in the lights tab is go to curve on the upper right side, and I just want you to pull up the shadows on the bottom left side a little bit and then just flatten it out towards the middle again and have a straight line to the upper right side to the highlights. And once you have this, those shadows highlighted, we're done here. The next thing we want to do is just pull down the highlights a little bit to around -7, really slightly, as I said, shadows up a little bit to around +4 right here, and the blacks all the way down to -30 right here. Then we go over to color right there, and we want to boost up the vibrance all the way to +42 or 43, and the saturation, we want to pull that down just a little bit to around -6. Then we scroll up, hit the color mix, and now we want to get those skin tones right. So the red tones, what you want to do is just boost the hue a little bit to +15 right here, boost the saturation as well to +14, and pull down the luminance a little bit to -7. Now the orange tones, what you want to do is bring the skin tone towards more like a yellow tone. So we pull the hue over to around 12, not too much though, +11 is good too. And then we want to boost the saturation a little to +5 and pull down the luminance to -20, just to make me look a little more tan here. -21 is good. And the yellow tones, last thing, what you want to do is pull down the hue to -23 right here and leave the saturation at 0 and pull down the luminance to -15 right here. Then we are done. We go to grading now, and now as we have the skin tones done, we want to take a look at the shadows in the picture. Usually they're always leaning towards a green look on film pictures. So what you want to do is bring the hue to around 123, that green area, and now boost the saturation up just really slightly to around 17 or 18, and you can really see that background, the black parts in the image, get that green tint, which is perfect. Then the midtones we're not going to change, but the highlights right here, the hue we want to boost up to 25, that orange area, and now the saturation up to around 11 or 12 right here to give the highlights a little bit of an orange tone here. Then we're done. And now the last thing you want to do is go to effects, and now you just want to pull down the clarity a little bit to -9 to soften it out a little, because film cameras often are not as sharp, especially those point and shoot cameras. And then the last thing, of course, we need grain. This is what really makes it look good, but not too much. Once again, around 27 I think is perfect, or 28, and it will only give that really slight grain to the image, make it look even more realistic. And then the roughness, maybe we want to pull that up a little to around 72 right here, and we are done. And now this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we really nailed this film look. Now, as I said in the beginning, it's really important to get it as subtle as possible. Do not over exaggerate, because that's what really will kind of make people see that it's not real film. They'll see it's over edited, something like that. So really make sure to only do really slight changes and really sell the effect. as perfectly as you can. Also make sure if you're taking the picture, the lighting is good, all these kinds of things. Now again, if you want to save some time, I've created a preset on exactly this look on my website. The link is under this video. You can download it from that all presets pack, and in that pack there's over 150 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And of course, every time I create new presets, they're automatically added to the pack. So once you buy it, you'll have all the new presets that are coming out as well. So if you already have the pack, you already have this preset too. So have fun with that. And of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on my future videos. And if there's anything else you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Now I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think about it. Give me some feedback, maybe in the comments. Maybe also let me know what wasn't good or what I can do better in the future. I'm always really happy about your feedback. Now, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.